In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting a domain to Vercel. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go right into it. First, we need to head over to the Vercel website. Vercel is known for building and deploying some of the best web experiences, and it offers a seamless interface that integrates with your domain effortlessly. Open your preferred web browser and type in vercel.com. Once you're on the homepage, you should see an option to log in at the top right of the screen. Click on this link to proceed. Next, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to go through the sign up process, which is quite straightforward. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Vercel dashboard. This is where you can manage your projects, update settings, and in our case, add a domain. On the Vercel dashboard, you'll see several options related to your ongoing projects. Look for an option called Domains. You might find it under a specific project or in a separate section. Click on Domains. This will take you to a page where you can manage existing domains or add new ones. Now, let's proceed to add your hosting a domain. You should see a button labeled Add a Domain. Click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the project you want to associate with this domain. If you have multiple projects listed, choose the right one from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected a project, it's time to add your domain. In the input box provided, type in the domain name you purchased through Hostinger. Make sure you include the entire URL, such as www.yourdomain.com for accuracy. After entering your domain name, Vercel will take you through the verification process. This often involves updating the DNS records with your domain registrar, which in this case is Hostinger. Head over to your Hostinger account, locate your domain settings, and modify the DNS records as instructed by Vercel. Typically, this will involve adding A records or CNAME records pointing to Vercel's servers. Double check your updates to ensure everything is accurate, as incorrect DNS settings can lead to connectivity issues. Once you've made these changes, head back to Vercel and complete the domain configuration process. Vercel will verify the connection, which might take a few minutes to propagate. And there you have it, your hosting a domain is now connected to Vercel. This setup allows you to deploy your projects quickly and ensures a professional custom domain display for your visitors. If you encounter any issues, both Hostinger and Vercel provide comprehensive support to guide you further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy building,